Smaller screen, bigger bezels, curved glass and smaller strap. This is the Oraimo Watch 6 Pro. Oraimo just upgraded one of their most popular smartwatches out there, and I've spent the past week using it as my daily driver, testing the calls, the health tracking features, the battery and everything. If you have seen my Watch 6 review, you already know the areas I think they didn't get right, but the question is, did they actually improve things with the Watch 6 Pro or make it worse? You'll find out very soon. My name is Mr. Roy. Welcome back to All Round Review. Before we start, if you are interested in purchasing this for yourself, it costs around 29,800 naira on the official Oraimo website, and you can get up to 5% off using the coupon code displayed on your screen or in this video description. The code actually works everywhere globally as long as you are buying from the official Oraimo website. Now let's quickly go through the unboxing. The packaging instantly feels familiar. The unboxing experience is pretty much identical to their recent watches. The classic Oraimo green and black box, the user manual, USB-C charging cable, the extra strap and the Watch 6 Pro itself. The Pro version immediately feels nicer in the hand. Oraimo calls the material ABS PC with zinc alloy, and the curved panda glass on top gives it a more premium finish compared to the flat, similar casing of the Watch 6. It feels more refined and well put together. On the wrist, the Watch 6 Pro looks compact but still large enough to display all the stats clearly. The curved glass helps readability and makes swiping feel smoother. At 47.5 grams, it's lightweight, and during workouts, I barely noticed it. Compared to the Watch 6 basic plastic look, the Pro's metal-like finish gives it a better presence. But I still think Oraimo made the smartwatch way too smaller for a 2025 standard when compared to the Watch 6 2.04 inches display. The difference is noticeable, including the strap. The strap on the Watch 6 Pro is very small. The crown only works as a back button or function button, and unlike the other Oraimo watches, rotating it does nothing. This is the first time we are seeing this on the watch lineup. The display is a 1.69 inches full touch TFT panel with a 240x280 resolution. Indoors, the brightness and colors look clean and sharp. What stood out to me is that the Pro reacts faster than my older Watch 6. Swipes feel smoother, menus open quicker, and the little UI delays I noticed before are mostly gone. The Oraimo Health App gives you over 120 watch faces, including AI generated ones. They are modern and easy to switch between, and the curved display gives them a subtle immersive look. This is where things get tricky. The Watch 6 Pro supports heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep and stress tracking, but during workouts I noticed inconsistencies. Sometimes it even stops reading, which can be very frustrating. So there are over 100 sports modes, yet the accuracy still depends heavily on your phone because there is no built-in GPS on the watch. So even when connected to the app, the readings were not reliable. I compared the data with Google Fit and the difference were obvious. And for those asking if there is any new feature in the Pro, the simple answer is no. You will get a similar experience and features similar to the Watch 6. One area where Oraimo clearly improved is calling thanks to Bluetooth 5.3. The connection is more stable, call quality is clearer than what I got on the Watch 6, and the other person could hear me clearly and better. It handles background noise slightly better too, even though loud environments still challenge it. Now, notification also comes in quicker and more consistent than the Watch 6. You can't type replies, you have to know that, but you can read notifications and messages. The Watch 6 Pro comes with an IP68 rating, which means sweat, splashes and dust won't bother it. The Panda glass held up well during my week of use. It's not scratch proof, but is definitely better than cheaper flat glass watches. The curved surface picks up fingerprints faster, so I found myself wiping it out more often. Oraimo claims 5 days of normal use and 21 days of standby from the 220 mAh battery, but in real world usage with calls, health tracking notifications and workouts, I got about 4 days before hitting low battery, which is solid for this category. Charging takes around 3 hours through the magnetic charger, which isn't fast but manageable since you won't be charging it on a daily. Pairing with the Oraimo Health App was smooth. The layout is clean and well organized, showing everything from heart rate to sleep history and weekly summaries. Switching watch faces is quick, and you can also set up reminders for inactivity or hydration. It's the same Oraimo app experience, simple, functional and beginner friendly. Using the Watch 6 Pro doesn't feel anything better than using the Watch 6. Although the UI is faster, the calls are clearer and the battery life is reliable, and it feels a little bit premium on the wrist. However, the small size, the lack of GPS and the fingerprint will surely hold you back. So if you are someone who does outdoor runs and wants accurate metrics, this watch won't replace your phone. So as I said earlier, I'm working on a full comparison video between the Watch 6, the Watch 6 Pro and the Itel Storm Ultra. That video will break everything down side by side, so if you want the full picture before choosing one, watch out for that video. In summary, the Oraimo Watch 6 Pro feels like a more refined version of the Watch 6. Better build, smoother UI, improved call quality and generally more polished experience, but the smaller size, the lack of GPS and the inconsistent workout tracking show that Oraimo still has a lot of work to do. If you are thinking of buying this for yourself, the Watch 6 Pro currently sells for 29,800 naira on the official Oraimo website, and you can get up to 5% discount when you use my coupon code displayed on the screen or in this video description. You can use it anywhere in the world as long as you are shopping on the official Oraimo website. So my comparison video with the Watch 6, Watch 6 Pro and the Itel Storm Ultra is coming soon, so stay tuned for that before making your final decision. My name is Mr. Roy and this is All Round Review. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.